Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add a printer in Windows 11 manually. So usually the way you do it is you navigate to your settings, Bluetooth and devices, then you go printers and scanners, and you would just press on add a device like this. If you're unable to do that, if the search doesn't find the printer you're looking for, you can just press on add a device manually, just press on this button. And in here, as you can see, we have multiple options. Find printer by other options. You can select a shared printer by name, add a printer using IP address with Bluetooth, or a local printer on network with manual settings. Then you press next and follow the instructions. After that, if that doesn't work for you, you just open up your control panel, and in here under hardware and sound, you press on add a device like this. And in here, it takes you to these settings, and in here, you just press on add device, choose which device is more fitting to the description on these little presets. So for example, Bluetooth will probably not be it, so we choose everything else. And then you wait until your PC scans for that printer on your PC, provided of course you're physically connected. And then you can choose it from this list, press connect, and you're good to go, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you set your printer up, make sure to like the video and subscribe.